Huh. So we were talking about this, and then I can tell you that see, normally होता क्या है, मैन्युफैक्चरर से कंज्यूमर तक सामान जाता है और बीच में ब्रोकर, होलसेलर सबका प्रॉफिट हो रहा होता है, रिटेलर भी आ जाता है. बट इस प्रोसेस में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा. अब इसमें क्या होता है, यहाँ पे मैन्युफैक्चरर, ब्रोकर, होलसेलर, रिटेलर आपको दिख रहा है, राइट? वो स्टोर से आपका सामान लेते हैं और कंज्यूमर तक पहुंचाते हैं. दैट इज सपोज यू. तो बट हियर यू बिल्ड योर ओन असेट, या आपका अपना स्टोर होगा जहां से आप खुद लेकर दूसरे को दे सकते हैं, या कोई दूसरा भी खुद ही ले सकता है. तो इट विल बी लाइक फ्रॉम मैन्युफैक्चरर टू डायरेक्ट कंज्यूमर. इट्स लाइक इट सेव्स टाइम एंड इट सेव्स मनी ऑल्सो. तो बीच का प्रोसेस नहीं होता, वो कट जाता है, और यह आपका असेट बन जाएगा, या आपका ही स्टोर होगा जहां से आप भी कुछ ले सकते हैं या कोई दूसरा भी ले सकता है. एंड दैट वुड बी लाइक you are using your own products and you are earning also, or somebody else you are giving, or they are taking from your store and you get the profit from it, and you get earnings every time. Even the model is like that. See, it works like Facebook network use करके बनता है, हमारा network use करता है, it uses our network. Or else like Amazon, it uses your shop, other people sellers, and Amazon doesn't produce something. He is just like a platform. In the same way, you can create your own platform where you are selling different type, or you are giving or advising people, and this advice is also used. So that advice what you're giving to others, you are earning with it. So that's a wonderful idea, isn't it? See, Uber does not do anything, but he just gives an app in which people are coming and drivers are driving the cars and all, and they are going, and who is earning? Uber is earning the more. So that's why you can also use this type of online platform, and you can make there is a market of 65,000 crore market potential of just online and these things only. So what is the revenue you can get? If a single person he tries to use an item, a daily essential item, if I take an example, so suppose like 100 to 150 rupees ka daily essential item that he is using, so that is like per day ka consumption. And then if you just add on to around 300 people, जैसे daily क्या, shampoo, or suppose the soap, or he is using the toothpaste, these are all the normal things that he has to use and he will use, even though he does, it's like willingly or unwillingly he is using that daily care products, either health or beauty or home care, say washing, detergent or cleaning, anything he will be using, right? And here it multiplies, suppose 300 people with 300 friends of friends, then how much you are earning, you can earn up to 90,000. 300 multiplied by 3,300, and the per day the money which flows in just for daily essential is 1 crore. So that's a huge amount. You can't think of it also. There is the capacity. You have to just build up your own business with it, and there is no investment. It's part-time, it's flexible, it's up to you. You can work home base. There is no employee or employer type of situation. There would be a lot of coaching and mentorship available for you, and it has a very big global market that I'm very sure it has been in many countries. It is from like 80 years, people know and trust it. It gives you 100% money back guarantee and totally safe herbal things, so people like to buy. See, if your detergent is herbal and then it doesn't give you side effects of some problems of skin or anything, then people will definitely go for it, right? And if it gives you the quality is so important. When you say somebody use this and you will have the effect in 10 days, if the person get that effect which he is never getting with all other things, then he will definitely come back to you. And the thing is, it builds a trust. It's definitely a long time in the market. There are a lot of testimonies and a lot of people who have used it, and it's amazing. And the good part is you don't have to build something new in it, you don't have to work for that, but you have to just work through your communication. And now I'll get to the asset building block. So what is the asset building block? Like there would be a personal volume or a customer volume which is created. Say suppose 3% PV you make, 3% points you make, so you go to 200 PV and you get 3% bonus in it. So if you make 200 PV and you make a 3% bonus, and there is a sale of like 16,000, your use or other person's use, so that is how the Amway pays to you, and you get around like 20,000 of product you get in 16,000. So there is a discount also, and there is some loyalty points also, and that's how you get the bonus also. And then it will rise, like if you do 600 PV, then you go for 6%. If you go to 200 PV, you go for 9%, so on. So it's up to like this. And if you do for 1 lakh PV, so 1 lakh will happen. 10,000 PV, so how 10,000 will happen? It's because of you have a team, right? You grow into the business, you have a team into it, and then you go for 21% of the profit. So when this comes, you approximately have a lot of income, right? Like if you get 10, and you directly get a trade discount, like 10% discount of all the products. Not only you, your customer also gets the same, so they will definitely come and buy from you. And the performance bonus, say 3%, so on that you get 480 rupees and 7% of incentive. So that's how Amway pays to you. So its monthly income comes to this much if you sell of 16,000. And similarly it increases, like you did 16,000 of volume sale and 200 PV or points, the same way your 10 people also did, and you get the multiplication. See, there is a duplication, right? You have to understand that. So you plus your network goes to 2600 PV. So your total turnover comes to volume is like 208000, and your monthly income reaches 23,000. So 23,000 is good, like from home only 1-2 hours, extremely well. And then later you can increase. See, this is how it's just showing. Like if you do 200 PV and there are 10 people or so, then 2 tens are, it goes to 1 lakh. So see here the person goes, if you have 50 partners in it, not 10, sorry, if you have 50, then it just multiplies 50 into 200. So 5 2s are 10, so it becomes 1 lakh. So 1 lakh income you get in that way. So the more higher you go in the business, you get easily paid off. And if suppose one person is there, it's not like the big picture is here. Like if you go platinum, you go 10,000 PV and you go platinum, and then if you have 6 platinums together in under you, then you go diamond, then you earn like 7 lakhs per month. So there is platinum, emerald, diamond, so you can earn a lot, like 76,000, 2 lakh, 7 lakh. It's all per month. It will be coming into your account. So you are just creating the pipeline, and then everything will be flowing into your. And this is how it works. The emerald will go. Now, if suppose one person is very much hardworking, he can create a lot of partners here, and he did founders platinum. Suppose if he has 6 founder platinum here, then he will be earning more than what you would be earning. So it is not that what level you are, but under you, if many are there and you're working harder than that, then you can get more than that. First, which I am looking here for, desire to learn and grow, integrity, strong value, and willingness to accept the mentorship, and nothing else we require. So that is how it goes. And if you win this, Like if you come to our team, you get launched, then you are getting all the tools and everything. But I have to first see the communication, like how much you are interested, what are your dreams, what is the passion of work that you work for. That is how it goes. And so it's like your shop, right? You will be giving business training, mentorship, which will be available, and you can help people is emotionally, nutritionally, spiritual, even financially. You can give employment to many. So that is a really good position, and you get a social impact in this business. And here which we produce is like Neutralite. Neutralite is world class brand. It is organic, it's harvesting and functioning all are proper, and it has the halal certification. It is the best brand of Reader Digest. Also, it is in all over the world, it's global. And that's all from my side. Hope it makes sense and you got understood about the business, and we are looking forward like how we can start up with this and expand it more and more. Thank